So today, we're going to be taking a look at the ticker pound, which is actually quite interesting. The ticker is, indeed, the pound. Well, something is happening. On CoinMarketCap, it's the second most searched ticker out of the 9 million tokens that exist. You know, it really takes off whenever there's a bit of a frenzy, and I'm here for that. And so we can see what has happened in the last few days. As a matter of fact, and you can tell me if I'm wrong, there was already a pump, and it's aiming for another bank. And we're going to see right now if there's going to be a new pump. So that's what we're going to examine today. I'm going to analyze it, and then I'm going to tell you, where it might be a good entry point and how high it could potentially go, this ticker pound. Now, as for where this ticker is currently trading, it's trading on BitGet. And, the reason I'm mentioning that is because I have a team, the Crypto-Quebec team on BitGet. If you'd like to join me, down in the description of this video, you can see there's an $8,000 bonus available if you decide to use the platform with me. And when you do that, you send me a message and I'll add you to the team, where we currently have 5,090 traders, and we're achieving a lot of positive results, as you can observe right here. So these are results that you won't always see. Obviously, I don't always put them up. I don't show all of them either. So if you don't see your particular result here, there's no need to send me a message. It's really just to motivate people to join the team. Let's get back to the pound. The pound. We're going to look at it, and it's absolutely crucial to always start on a larger time frame. People try to help themselves by looking at the 1-hour chart, but you really don't understand anything that way. So you need to grasp the underlying dynamics as they're unfolding. So what's happening here is, as you can see, this is the Crypto-Quebec indicator. The moment you break above the cloud with a decisive move, a solid move, I can never tell you that you're going to have a loss within it. It's just noise. If you try to measure it, if you try to take it with a grain of salt, I'll tell you the